Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Upton by KB Homes. Now this is their newest community. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, the plan 2469, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to the newest KB home community here in Las Vegas. The community is called Upton. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right over here. Great area too guys, by the way. We're right off of the 215 and Sunset. As you can see, right over here, great views of the mountain guys. South Summerlin is just over there. Now, if you look over here, we have IKEA. Okay, we have the Durango Hotel and Casino as well. Centrally located, you guys. Plenty of good restaurants close by, easy access to the 15. Really great area. I can't emphasize that enough, you guys. I will have the floor plan on the screen for you guys. So they offer 5 floor plans here, all ranging from 1590 square feet all the way to 2469 square feet. All these homes are going to be 2-story homes, and I've done video tours on a lot of these models, so you've probably seen them before. But the base prices range from $449,990 all the way up to $499,990. Now guys, when you see the base price, just know that does not include the lot premium and the upgrades, okay? So on average, the lot premiums are gonna range from about $6,000 to $18,000, okay? Now I was just speaking to the gentleman inside, and he said he sold a corner lot for $18,000. So I'm guessing, the other lots are going to be closer to that $6,000 to $8,000. As far as upgrades, now buyers are normally putting about 10% of the base price in upgrades, okay? So go ahead guys, do the math. So you got your base price, lot premium, as well as your upgrades. In this community, what they're doing is they are doing a mixture of selling dirt lots as well as building like quick move-in homes. Now the quick move-in homes here aren't as quick as other places, new communities. The quick move-ins here are, what they do is they literally get a lot, they choose all the options, and these lots are going to be ready in about 5 to 6 months, versus if you build from lot up, then you're going to be waiting from about 6 to 8 months, okay? HOA in this community is going to be $60 a month. It's not gated, so in this community, you're going to have a park, which will that will be included with your $60 a month. The average lot square feet is going to be 3,010 square feet. Now, one thing I will say about this community, which makes this community really different from a bunch of KB communities, you're gonna have, for a lot of these homes, you're gonna have side yards, not backyards, okay? So we just toured the plan 2469. Normally, you have a slider in the back that goes to the backyard, but as you can see, when we check out the model house, the slider will be on the side, and you'll have a side yard. The smaller floor plans will have the backyards, okay? That's all the information I got for you, so let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the plan 2469. 2469 square feet, 2-story, 4 to 5 beds, 2.5 to 4 baths, 2-car garage, and the base price is $499,990. If you build from lot up, you have a choice between 3 different elevations. Now the elevation is just how the exterior looks, so I will show you guys on the screen. Desert landscaping, paver driveway is included. You won't have desert landscaping like the large rocks or anything, okay? And then obviously that's going to be a driveway. So that's actually the sales office right now. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so we got the 8-foot door. Welcome in, guys. So immediately, I could already tell they did the upgraded 9-foot ceilings. Now, right over here, you're gonna have the door to the garage. And so that's the door to the coat closet. Got the stairs going to the second floor. Now, right over here, we do have a den. Now, one of the important upgrades you'll get to decide is whether to turn this den into a 4th or 5th bedroom, okay? So right now they do have this as a den. They have this right here as the powder room. Now, if you upgraded this to a bedroom, the 5th bedroom, this would be a full bath, okay? Cool, so these doors are 6x7 doors. Extra storage space here, guys, okay? Now this area is a great place to have your office or if you work remote. Okay, so yeah, just pedestal sink, toilet. Now we got the upgraded stair rail, okay? If you didn't do that, you'd have the pony wall. Now guys, here I will show you guys the floor plan. Now I have toured many 2469 models, okay? The difference between in this community, they have side yards, okay, not backyards, okay? Normally in the 2469 model, your slider would be right over there, but instead your slider is right here, okay? And you'll have a side yard. Now, if you get one of the smaller floor plans in this community, you will have a backyard. Okay, so beautiful floor plan, guys. So I will point out all the upgrades as I see them. Okay, so right now what you're seeing here is we have the extended island upgrade. Okay, so normally it ends to like right about right here, but you could choose to extend it all the way up here. Now this quartz material is optional as well. Okay, so the standard countertop is you're gonna have granite. You'll have like 2 or 3 choices of granite as well as cabinets. These are upgraded. You have about 2 or 3 options of cabinets, which is gonna be the maple cabinets, okay? So we got the upgraded pulls as well. Okay, upgraded white sink. So standard, you're gonna have like the stainless steel dual basin sink. And so you got your oven, you have your Whirlpool microwave. Now, this is the upgraded fridge right here. And then right here we have your pantry. So plenty of space in this pantry. Okay, so when it comes to like appliances, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. All right, see a nice open floor plan. We also have the upgraded 42-inch cabinets. This is optional as well if you want these cabinets right above the refrigerator. See what we got under here. Okay, so we got your standard included Whirlpool dishwasher. Now you guys, if you are interested in a new build community, such as this one, let me know, guys. Give me a call, my info description below. You can feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. If you're interested and you're already working with a realtor, at least, let your realtor know that you're interested in a new build community. You definitely want to make sure they're with you on your very first visit, because if you visit a new build community, they're not with you, there's a high chance they won't let you be represented down the road. And you definitely want representation from a realtor, just because we look after your best interests. We negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. Now, the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. What we do for you guys, it's definitely a win-win for you. All right, guys, so this is the full bath, okay? the 3 bedrooms will share. Oh, also another thing about the flooring, guys. Okay, so standard flooring is you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. The bathroom, the laundry room, entryway, and the kitchen. You'll have like the 17 by 17 ceramic tile. There's like 2 or 3 different color options you could choose from. So if you want like these planks, something like this is optional, guys. Okay, standard shower tub combo right here. All right, dual sinks. We do have like upgraded hardware right there. Okay, and then also on the second floor, you do have 8-foot ceilings. So downstairs, standard is 8 foot. You could upgrade to 9 foot, which I highly recommend. And then second floor is just 8 foot with no option for the 9-foot ceiling. So you have a pretty decent sized room here. Also has a walk-in closet. You got your transfer grill, smoke detector. Okay, now also too, one thing that I'd recommend as well, so in all the guest bedrooms, you're not gonna have like any lights or the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. So, I definitely would recommend at least upgrading every room so that it has a pre-wire to the ceiling fan. Pretty good sized room, guys. This is gonna be full-size bed right here. Okay. And then this is gonna be like your large guest bedroom. To give you guys a little view of the neighborhood. Okay, so again, guys, great area. I really like this area. We're close to Durango Hotel. You have IKEA. We're close to South Summerlin, right by that 215 freeway. So a lot of good restaurants close by. I would definitely live in this area. Okay, so you do have your large walk-in closet. Now there is an option as well. If you wanted to do like a full bath right here, you can. And then the room would be smaller because you'd have your closet right over here. All right. Okay, so we have your laundry room. In here, you got your attic access right up above. Okay, smart panel box is gonna be right here, where you set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, then you have your linen closet right here. Now guys, another popular upgrade people like to do with this house is you could upgrade the door, so you'd be like a double door, and it would, the linen closet would be a lot smaller. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Really good size. Okay, now the primary bedroom's already going to come with a pre-wire set for the ceiling fan. So you're going to get the pre-wire for the ceiling fan in the primary bedroom as well as the great room. So that's standard. Okay, so just be mindful if you do the upgrade for the double doors, if you're trying to put the TV like right in the middle, it might look a little bit different if you have the double doors, because you might have to push the TV further to the right. Okay, so you have some nice windows right over here. Now you're gonna have your full bath as well as your walk-in closet. So really good space, as you can see, guys. Now this is actually the upgraded shower. So you have a couple of different upgrades you could do. You could have it like this, which is upgraded. You could have it so you have your larger walk-in shower. I believe you would have like the shower tub combo would be the standard option there. Okay. So you got your dual sinks, the quartz countertop. This is actually upgraded quartz right here. But if you're trying to look for ways to, save some money, The standard quartz that they offer in the bathrooms is pretty nice. So, you know, you could definitely do that. All right, guys. Let me know what you think about the plan 2469. Okay, but if you guys have any questions or if you're trying to reach out to me, my info is going to be in the description below. Till then, I will catch you guys next video.